Hello class, my name is Michelle Harger-West and today I'm going to be demonstrating the can crusher experiment. This experiment relates to the standard to develop a model and describe that matter is made of particles too small to be seen, as with the air molecules in this experiment. This experiment can be done in the classroom or at home with adult supervision. In this experiment, 5th and 6th grade students will witness effects of high and low air pressure systems as a hot soda can, as it's submerged in cold water, will crush. This information can carry over to other lessons in science like weather and air pressure systems that make it more relatable to students' everyday lives. Some of the supplies that you need for this are safety goggles, tongs, measuring spoons, empty soda cans, a bowl of cold water, and a hot plate. You can also use your stove top at home with whatever you need. The cost was very minimal for me for this experiment because I happen to have everything at home, but if you don't, you can probably get these at the dollar store and soda cans, whatever you do, and then you can also do the stove top at home. First thing what we'll do is we'll take an empty pop can and put about a tablespoon of water in it. Then next what we'll do is we'll make sure our burner on our stove is on high. Then the pop cans will stay on here until you can hear the water to begin to boil. And there's not much water, but you will hear it boil. And then you'll also see the steam that will begin to rise out of the top. As the pop can heats up, air molecules within it are spreading apart. Water and moisture inside the can are under low pressure and escaping the can at the same time. However, air outside the can is under high pressure because it's cooler air out here. This creates what's called a convection current, which is warm air rises, cold air falls in to replace the escaping air. So we have two different patterns of air. We have the air that's going out and the air that's going in the can at the same time. When we submerge the can upside down in cold water, it condenses the air inside the can so that nothing can replace it. The outside air is more dense, so the can will crush at that time. So let's get started and see what happens. See how that cold water will just automatically crush that can once you allow that water to come out of the can before you put it in. Let's try one more. See, it's really kind of a fun, neat experiment that any kid can do as long as you have adult supervision. That's the can crushing experiment, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much.